Greetings, dear esteemed and valued client, dear loyal and dedicated subscribers. This is ISON. In this video, we will review the high quality and durable brackets for mounting ISON surveillance cameras. These are specialized brackets that allow you to mount an ISON surveillance camera on the corner of a house or on a pole. And in this video, I will explain how to do it. Regarding this bracket here, I think everything is clear. It's quite simple. There is an additional mount here specifically to securely attach the bracket to the corner of the building. Here you either place the camera itself or a mounting base, and the camera is placed on this base. Everything here is quite simple and very intuitive and easy to understand. This is a bracket for mounting on a pole. This bracket is essential for the assembly and needs to be purchased together with these clamps for proper installation. They come in small, medium, large, and the largest sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for various applications. There are holes here for secure attachment and stability. Using these holes, you attach this bracket directly to the pole in a secure manner, safely. And depending on the thickness of your pole, you purchase a specific clamp, accordingly if it is a small pole. The smallest clamps will work. If you need a larger one, then accordingly you take a bigger clamp. 3 clamps are needed to secure this bracket to the pole as well, and more securely. Here I think everything is quite simple and clear. You attach the surveillance camera itself in the same way. The brackets are very sturdy, they are made of very thick metal, extremely difficult to damage. They also have an anti-vandal function. If you have any questions about them, ask our managers. Write them in the comments under this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.